Hello, folks, and welcome to the walkthrough of the Shatranj modern chess app. In this application, we can play chess in the context of Web3, where you can wager tokens, which we call as Ashar fees. Both the players bid an amount, and the winner takes it all. To play Shatranj, you need a Web3 compatible browser with MetaMask installed. To start you start by connecting your wallet to this application. The whole contract of our Ashar fees and the whole application runs on the Polygon chain. So first it will ask you to switch the chain from whatever chain you are on to Polygon network. Once we switch it, it will ask you to sign a token for authentication. For authentication, we're using Morales boilerplate, and once we sign the token, our wallet is now successfully connected. So let's start by finding a new match. To create a new match, initially we offer every person on the platform 1000 Ashar fees to start with. Once they come onto the platform, they can click on Start New Match after logging in, and this modal will open up where they can put in their minimum bid. The minimum bid where we ask them is 50 Ashar fees in multiples of 10. They can also put in a minimum opponent bid. If the opponent bid is not specified, it will automatically use your bid as the minimum opponent bid to find the new opponents. Right now, we will put both as 100. 100 for our bid and 100 for the minimum opponent bid. We'll click on Start Finding Match. First, it will ask us to send 100 Ashar fees as we asked to bid. Once we confirm this transaction, it will start the transfer of Ashar fees from the player's account to the owner account. Once done, it will start by finding a match. Once the match is found, it will automatically take the player to the play page. And if the match has ended, it will land on the match has ended page, and the Ashar fees have been transferred to the winner. Now let's have a look at the code walkthrough for our Shatranj decentralized application. When we started our application, we thought what best stack to choose to build this, and we came up with the standard React, TypeScript, and Next.js tech stack for our front end. We have been using Truffle and Ganache for our local blockchain development, as well as we are using Morales as our RPC provider. We have been using MetaMask as a primary wallet for all the transactions which are performed, and we have this network config where we have specified all the chain parameters for our Polygon testnet and Polygon mainnet, as well as our local host. This config, along with our token config, which is our Ashar fee, is used throughout the application so that we can easily swap this token as if we want to. Our application starts with checking with connecting to MetaMask, and it checks that if Ethereum object is present in the window global object, then it starts proceeding. It first starts by changing the network, and then it authenticates using the React Morales hook, which is use Morales. Once it is connected, we go ahead and add the Ashar fee token contract address to the MetaMask wallet to display the Ashar fees which will be transferring just in the next step. So the safe transfer token is an internal function which we have built to transfer the tokens from the owner account to the person whose address we pass in. So it takes in a value, and we convert the value later on depending on our ERC tokens, decimals, and in the right format. We take up this transaction is signed by the owner always, and it is permissionless as with regard to the user. In the play page, basically we're using a WebSocket and the logic for the code is written here. And for the chessboard, we are using a library called as React Chessboard. And for all the logic for the chess application, we are using chess.js library for the validations and following the FEN and the PGN notation. The main highlight of this whole application is handling the transfers and the bids, which happen all on the Polygon chain. First, we started out by developing on the local network, and then we tested it on the Polygon network. You can have a look at our Etherscan, at our Polygon scan history to verify our transactions which we have been making while playing matches and testing it all out. And we have been applying all the we have been applying a server-side event to handle the matchmaking process. And the server-side event basically notifies the front end once the match has been found, and it routes to the play page, which you could have seen on the screen. And once the match has ended, we update the winner and we transfer the tokens safely and then route the player to the finish page where we fetch all the data for the winner and display it on the screen. That was a quick walkthrough of our whole code base. This is TeamWeb23 signing off.